What are we? What are we? What are we doing? But
Kala Khatta podcast.
we're
No, why
doing
did you say first? I didn't say anything.
this podcast is better than relatable tales. I heard it. I heard someone say this.
I didn't say anything.
Is it true?
True, yeah.
We're just talking. Yes,
Yes.
random. Just four friends talking about random stuff.
TGF?
Correct. Thank God it's Friday.
No.
TGIF that is. Thank God it's Friday.
I'm the
What are you talking about? We are talking about, but we are talking about relatable tales. Let's talk
best
about.
podcast ever.
Is the best podcast ever relatable
He
tales?
gets things for free.
What?
He gets things for free.
He gets things for free.
PS4.
Oh my God. PS4 and what about his house?
I don't know.
Might have got his house also for free. I think so. Huh? TV. What about TV? Clothes also he may be getting free. What about a watch?
You get 10.
So then you didn't gift him anything.
I don't know.
What about you?
But what?
Are you this particular relatable tales guy's host's friend? Do you know
the
it?
guy who gets rejected by girls.
Of course. How do you not know? How do you? Everyone knows. Do you know? You know, right?
Yeah.
Of course. It's a guy who gets rejected.
Yes,
by,
yes.
Of
Now,
course.
yes.
You know what we're talking about now. It's obviously the guy who gets rejected by.
He,
Yeah?
he banned me from his.
He
Twitch.
banned you from Twitch.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know because he doesn't like me.
He doesn't like you, so he
Why doesn't
just.
he like you? Because
What's-
you don't get rejected by girls.
Yeah, you're just. You don't. He's jealous of you, obviously.
Yes.
Obviously.
Because
Obviously, I'm not.
he wants to be the only person who gets rejected by girls. Do you get rejected by girls?
You. No.
Do you get rejected by girls?
Yes.
You get rejected by girls.
Yes.
So then, are you also a part? Are you him?
No.
Are you sure you're not him?
No.
He's a different person. Are you in his team?
Yes.
You're in.
No.
You're in his team.
Run.
What about you? Do you get rejected by girls?
Obviously, yes.
Obviously. Why do you think so? Look at you. You have such a nice haircut. Like a good boy. Unlike this guy.
I didn't get it.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what
Unlike
I'm
you, he has a haircut.
He has a haircut.
Of course, he got a haircut.
He also has a beard.
He can grow a beard. Unlike yes, show it
Unlike
off.
me.
Show it off. Flaunt it. Yes.
Cancer.
Yeah.
Jail.
Deal breaker.
Look at him. How old are you? 18 already. Almost. Almost 18 and you can't even grow a beard. Side profile दिखा.
दिखाना है क्या?
Yes. Look.
Not short.
Yes. Mug shot. He can't even grow a fucking beard. You can't even grow a fucking mustache.
Let's see.
What do you mean? Oh, Hanuman is here. Hanuman, guys.
Hanuman Chalisa.
Do you worship Lord Hanuman? Yes. What about you? What God do you worship?
What are you talking?
You. Jesus.
Buddha.
You. Are you Muslim?
Jesus.
Are you Muslim?
No. Christianity.
Are you circumcised?
No.
Why you're Muslim?
No, I'm Christian.
Are you Jew?
No Christian.
Okay.
Thou shalt not worship any god.
He knows the
Except
he knows the 10 commandments. But so what? You can be a Muslim and also practice Christianity.
correct.
So do you do it?
So,
Do you do it?
why?
Why?
Are you against other religions?
Are you sure?
Are you against other religions?
You're against other religion just because it's
You're a part of the problem.
yeah, exactly. He must die now.
Yes.
Of
Then
course.
I can.
No, you can't leave. Of course not.
We want
Let's.
to kill you, we want to escape.
Hi.
And
So, what Lord do you worship?
I worship Jesu.
Who is that?
Yeshu Krishna?
Jesu is a god. No, he is a son of God.
Yes, correct. Do you worship him?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of worship do you worship his feet? Do you have feet fetish?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you finding his feet attractive?
No.
Look at him.
That's gross.
That is gross. Because he is just because he's because cancelled. He's just because he's black.
Say it.
Just because his skin tone is on the dark side, you find him gross.
No.
You said
Sorry,
it.
yeah.
But
You
it's
said
gross.
why? Just because he's a guy.
No, I don't like it.
Just because
Homophobic.
that just because he's a guy,
No, even if it's a girl, I will
you're lying.
not.
Yeah, you're lying. You're lying. What about you? Hello. Are you racist? I'm misogynist.
Faking.
you you're feminist. Oh,
Pseudo-feminist.
you're pseudo feminist. So you think that only girls should have all the rights.
What should I?
All the rights.
Why should girls have all the phone?
Why beat my meat when I can?
What? Turn the camera?
No, I have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
I can't say it.
डर गए क्या?
But this is I'm only the. But we were talking about you. We were talking about you. Are you racist?
No.
Why? Do you think that black people can't be racist?
You can.
So then why aren't you racist?
Because I don't say that.
Say it. Why?
I know you say it. True.
We have heard you say it like multiple times.
But it's not on tape.
That doesn't matter. You did you say it?
You can. Yeah.
Did you say the N word?
No.
Not no, the other word.
No, I'm
Okay, we believe you.
Nah, bro.
Not nah, bro. You know what word I'm talking about. Say it.
Tana knowledge.
Chana mongoose.
Sorry, what is your name? Items.
Idol ki copy. Array rice gum. Okay, but what were we talking about? It all started by us talking about but base. But boys, the point. Why did we start this podcast? We started to prove a point, right? The point.
The point.
Yes.
The point that Yannick had stated at the starting.
Yes. And could you please repeat the point? Repeat it, please. The point that the fact that this podcast is better than a certain pod. Can you take the name?
SSR. Impossible.
Impulsive. No, it wasn't impulsive.
Haven't said anything.
What about you? It's a guy who gets rejected by girls, obviously.
yes.
Do you know him? Do you know him personally?
Not personal.
Have you spoken to him anytime?
Yes.
Oh, you have.
Yes.
Is he a nice person?
No.
Does he speak rudely?
Yes.
Okay. Then I wonder why he gets rejected by girls.
Exactly.
What about you? Do you know this RSS guy personally?
What does that mean?
Relatable Rashtriya Samaj Seva Party Janta.
BJP?
That is Bharatiya. Fine, we will just take his name. Shadow. Yes. Shadow.
He deleted his channel, and I'm very sad.
Are you sad?
I was a subscriber.
You are his loyal subscriber since day one.
Day one.
Since day one. You watched सब वीडियो देख लिए सारी वीडियो Okay, can you tell us what type of content did he post on this channel?
Excellent.
What? No. Like what?
He used to post Fortnite videos.
Fortnite videos. And was he
Clash
good?
Royale.
Was he good at any of these games? Or did he?
Best of best.
Are you being paid to say all of this?
Oh no.
Did he?
You really threatened you. That's the ring.
Did he buy any in-app purchases or stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, he used to just buy and waste his money. You were saying that he got a PS4 for free.
Onward.
Can you tell us how?
I don't know.
Did he not reveal how he got it free?
I think it.
I got that chair over there for free.
Yes.
Yes, this
How?
even this one, the one. Yes, show it off. Mm. Mm. Even this cupboard, even that PC over there, this monitor and that PC I got it for free, guys. It's true. It's true. I got it for free.
What?
I got it for free.
Acha.
This house also free. I didn't pay for it. I got it for free. What about you?
I'm
Didn't
poor.
you? Yeah,
I'm poor.
you're
Help
poor.
me.
So
How did you get this mobile phone?
Which?
The one that you have in your hand. I think you also got it for free.
No,
You got it for free.
I earned it.
You did not earn shit.
I
Wha-
have a YouTube channel. I earned from it.
Shout out. What's your YouTube channel name?
It's named as
Kela.
Zeus.
Zeozord.
Yes.
What were you saying? What is this?
Kela gang OP.
Kela Gang. What is this Kela Gang? Can you explain?
For more details, subscribe to the
Okay, we will go and link Zeozord in the
description.
yes. Okay. So can you explain how you got this phone? I'm pretty sure you got it for free.
No, I used to upload videos on YouTube and then people used to watch those videos and then I earned money.
Okay.
Who was the inspiration?
My inspiration was Shady.
Shady. Okay.
CD maybe?
Are you sure your inspiration was not Shadow?
What was the tuber?
Darda.
tuber.
Hazer Tuber. Let's talk about Vishwajit for some time now.
I don't know how, but how does he even get the products for free?
Most viewed channel, whatever.
No, fastest growing YouTube.
Fastest growing.
Yes, fastest growing YouTube. What's his name?
Tech.
Tech. He reviews tech.
Yeah.
Okay, he reviews tech.
And once we had sent him some product,
Okay.
he did not accept it.
Okay.
What's that?
He became sad.
Okay. Were you providing like a sponsorship?
Yes.
Okay. So you were. So you were sending the. Were you were not involved. Okay. So you were sending the product for free,
Yes.
and you would pay him for advertising your product.
No.
Okay. So it was a free promotion.
No, I wanted money from him.
You want. You wanted money from him to review your. When what was your product?
My product was headphones.
Okay. What was it like on ear, over ear?
On ear.
Was it wired or
Wired.
wireless?
Wire.
Okay. Okay. Did you make the headphones yourself?
No.
Okay.
South Africa was Bangladesh.
South Africa versus Bangladesh. Why did you say that?
Because it's going to start.
What is going to start? Is it a football match, cricket match, hockey?
Cricket.
Okay, it's cricket. Do you watch cricket frequently?
No.
Then why are you updated on which match is there?
I don't know. I got some notification.
Why are you getting notifications?
Tata Sky.
Do you watch Tata Sky?
I have that.
You have it. I'm assuming you got it for free because you don't pay for it, obviously. Yes. So what about your house? I heard that you're getting a new TV. I'm sure that you're gonna. Oh, it's Tony TV. That's so expensive. I'm
Where is the
sure.
market?
Yeah, but obviously you will get it for free. Obviously, because yeah, you will not be paying for it. So
Correct.
obviously yes. What about you? Will you be getting anything for free?
No.
Okay.
If you are willing to give me anything for free, I'll accept it.
Okay, send us your address and we will put your address on the screen now.
My
And
address. Yes.
You can
If you
email.
want to send something, can send it to him.
Yes. Yeah, we will give his email address here and here, and then you can contact him and ask him for address
Yeah.
and ask him for you can ask him for address and then they will send him stuff. Email him now, and here's his phone number
Yes.
and his
I will-
Discord, Instagram, LinkedIn,
Everything.
Facebook, Twitter, Tinder. Are you on Tinder?
I
Intern
was.
shala.
You're on Intern Shala. Is it a dating website?
No,
What is it?
it's an internship.
Okay,
Are you on Ola? No.
okay. Do you? I heard that you worked for Ola. False.
What Zomato?
Zomato. Were you?
Intern shala.
You work for them. Okay. So what's your position?
Yeah.
Of course. What? What is your job designation?
Manager.
You're manager of Intern Shala.
Financial management.
You're what?
Financial.
Fi- Okay, so you've done management studies.
No, that is BMS. I'm doing BA.
But then how are you a manager if you're
Accounting management.
but how? If you're still studying?
Side profession.
Phone
Mummy, address please.
address. We will put his address on the screen, guys. Don't worry, you can go to his house. Yes, continue. So do you have a Tinder profile?
No, those are questions for him.
Okay, sorry. Do you have a Tinder profile?
Yes.
Okay.
Subscribe to his Tinder.
You don't subscribe to oh, do you have OnlyFans? How do you make money then?
Intern shala.
Oh yes, sorry.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Tinder. So you're on Tinder.
Yes.
Okay. Have you gotten any matches? Have you talked to any girls, guys?
No one speaks.
No one speaks to you. Maybe your bio and pictures aren't good enough.
No, it's absolutely good enough.
Okay, what about any other dating sites?
Okay, good.
No, I had once tried Omega.
Omegle. You use Omegle for dating.
No,
Yes.
but I found girls.
And
Canadian.
And
Like you.
oh, he's blushing. He's blushing. So you.
Make friends.
no, I was,
Mhm.
but then she skipped me.
So you. Can you do that again?
No.
What did you do? Okay. So can you tell us more about this girl?
She was from Canada,
Okay.
a Canadian grilled cheese
Okay.
sandwich.
Was she actually Canadian or was she just living in Canada?
She was living there.
Okay, so she's not born in Canada.
Might be, I don't know.
Okay. More? Yeah.
She
How did you meet her? What did you talk about?
Right?
Yeah, so
We
maybe.
spoke very nicely.
Okay, so you were talking for a long time.
No, for a short time.
Okay. So like 5 minutes, 2 minutes,
No,
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
Yes.
What did you talk about?
Where was she from?
Okay.
What does she like?
Okay.
And
Did she like?
Yes, did she like you?
she said that I'm a good person.
Okay. Because you didn't show your dick on Omega.
Yes, exactly.
Because we all know what happens on Omega.
Yes.
Okay.
But
So
it was time up.
time up for what? There is there is no time limit on Omegle. So
So she said it was nice talking to you. And
so
then
she
left.
didn't want to continue to talk to you.
I don't know. We both agreed to leave
Why didn't you ask her to stay?
because
Why did you get my Instagram?
Yes, why didn't you like get any contact?
I was
Instagram, Snapchat.
I literally was, but I was unconscious. in
You
my
were
mind.
unconscious.
Yes.
Were you drugged?
No,
Then
Hi.
because I I like her.
So you couldn't believe what you're seeing.
Yes.
You are too caught up in the moment.
Yes. And you were like, oh my god, what is this? I can't.
What is this feeling?
What is this feeling? Are you this is the first time you're had such a long conversation with another girl?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And then you couldn't believe it that you got a chance to speak to another girl.
Yes.
So you just passed out.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you get a nosebleed?
No.
Okay.
If you are watching this, please contact me.
Yes, we will put his home address over here.
Yes.
And also, whoever is watching this, please comment your home address.
And if any other grilled cheese sandwich wants to communicate,
Of course, they will contact you. Yes, this is his phone number, Aadhaar card, PAN card number, bank account. You can. Oh, he doesn't have PAN card.
I
Okay.
can even do this.
What? Oh.
Look at this.
Oh. Oh. Ah! He can do that. No one else can do that. Try. Can you try? He can. Brothers.
Can't.
Brother from another mother. He can do it.
I can't.
He can do it. That's what she said. Okay. So do you have you moved on from that, or are you still
I have moved on.
thinking about her? Do you have?
Sometimes.
Do you get?
Your first crush.
Yes.
But yes.
She was your first crush.
Who was
Crush.
the girl in the photo?
Crush. What?
Who was the girl in the photo you sent?
Oh yes. Who was? Yes. So you lied. Who
Yes.
was the first girl then?
In,
The girl that in the photo.
yes, in the senior KG.
Yes. Who was she?
I don't actually remember.
Did you talk to her?
Yes.
Okay. So you were friends,
Yes.
basically. Okay. Okay. And so did you like
Bond.
bond? Yes.
Covalent bond.
No, not much.
Okay. Okay. And now, so you want to get in contact with her again?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay. So you miss her.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And so, but you moved on from her, and then you started liking the Omegle chick.
Yes.
Okay.
But
And
I prefer the senior KG one more than the Omega.
that sounds wrong. That sounds so wrong.
What's wrong with you?
That sounds so wrong. Do you have anything to say about this? Do you also prefer small children?
No.
No? What do you prefer?
Chicken.
Rather your chicken. So you were in love with a senior kid. So that's like how old?
Not love exactly.
Guys,
So what were your exact intentions? How old were you at that time?
emergency calls.
Was 10 more.
You were 10 years old and she was like 5.
Okay, even I was 5.
Okay.
Very nice.
There's something going on over here. Technical. He's calling the cops. He's calling the cops because he admitted that he likes children. What the
Not
fuck
children,
is
only
wrong with you?
that specific.
Only that one girl. He's only after that one. He's only after that one 5-year-old chick.
Yes, now she really
That's still not good.
But what? She
But
would be
why?
my
Don't
age.
you know what's wrong?
Oh,
She's
so
my age.
so she's not in senior KG anymore.
Yes.
They cannot give consent. She's 5 years old.
Now.
Now what's her age?
She's not 5 years old.
What is
She
it?
might be
Memory
18 or
of her is
17.
only of a 5-year-old.
Yes.
But they were the same age, no?
Can you stop being on his side? You're supposed to be on our side. Yes. So did you like talk a lot with her?
Did you speak to her after she was 5?
No, because I shifted.
Shifted.
Yes.
Okay. So then you have had no contacts
No.
ever since that. Okay. So what about the Omegle chick?
Uh,
Tell us more.
it's, The end.
Did you move on? Are you still thinking about her? Do you get sleepless nights?
No.
No. So you moved on.
Yes.
What
Yes.
about do you think about that other chick?
Which?
The one that in the photo.
Yes. I
You,
want to.
you want her.
Yes.
Okay.
She looks now.
Yes. Do you know what she looks like?
No.
But you still want her.
Your
Yes.
memory is that of a 5-year-old.
Yes.
That is still very creepy.
Because we were friends.
So you
You
were
were just
friends.
kids when you said that.
So have you like tried contacting her in any way?
I don't even have anything. Like
Okay.
the phone number, address.
Okay. Okay. So you want her. But seconds ago you wanted the Omegle chick.
What if you find out she has a boyfriend or a girlfriend or whatever?
It's fine.
So then you'll let her go.
Yes, I can be a friend.
You can so you still want to be a friend.
Yes.
Love is evil.
Love has no age.
Yes.
Love love knows
Love has no
no.
boundaries.
Yes. He's speaking from experience. How many girlfriends have you
How
had?
many? How many lovers have you had?
How many? Yes, lovers, girlfriends, boyfriends, anything.
Can't answer. A
Okay.
lot.
A lot, it means. A lot or it's none.
1 part, 2 part, 3
Of
part.
course. Yes. What about you? How many lovers have you had? Have you had a boyfriend? A girlfriend?
0.
None. No boyfriend, no girlfriend. Okay. Why? Are you not interested? Did you not find anyone? Did you find someone and it didn't work out?
Recording was so long.
26
Limit is
minutes.
there.
26 minutes is what I thought.
People don't like me because I'm fat.
That is really
That is really bad.
Put it
That
in
is
your head.
that is. Did someone tell you that they don't like you just because you're fat?
Yes.
Who said it?
Everybody likes Jonah Hill.
Yes. Everybody
Some
loves
kids
donuts.
Who are my friends.
They're not kids.
Some children
They are
told you.
immature.
No, not
Children told
my
you-
friends actually.
Your friend. Who is it? Is it him? I know it's him.
Is it you?
See, he's telling you to say no. What will he do? You is he? Are you a
Even your
slave?
friend.
Are you a slave or something? Are you his bitch? So then why are you getting scared of him? Don't be scared. Did he call you fat?
No.
Action कर रहे हैं तुम लोग.
Did he say that people don't like you just because you're fat?
Yes.
He said that.
Yes.
This guy,
Yes.
this fucker. Don't try to hide your face. We have been recording since like 30 minutes. We have you on camera, fucker. Cunt. So he said that you will
Do
not.
you like your cousin?
Do you? Which cousin? He likes incest.
Hey, not that way.
Do you like your cousin?
Yeah.
Are you incest?
What is wrong with this?
Do you like black brother?
Black brother dog.
Black brother is a dog. Black cousin. Sorry.
Dogs. Yeah.
Black cousin.
The dogs are like.
Okay. Like in what way?
You want to kill them and all.
In what way do you like them?
I like them as a friend.
As a friend. What about thinking? Are you thinking about being more than friends with these innocent dogs?
No.
Okay. Are you sure? Okay. So have you had anything with any dogs? What about any animal? Turtles? Cats? You used to watch. Is that right? Is that right? With your boy? You lied. You said you had none. So you did have a boyfriend. Oh my god. Only 40 seconds remaining. Fast answer.
क्या करना है?
Did you? Okay, so you did have an ex-boyfriend. You did have a boyfriend. Tune in next time to find out if he had a boyfriend or no.